What thing should you avoid when you are entering binary trading? In binary trading is not easy as you can see when you are making video or when some people are making video and they are make good profit. That's not easy that you can see. Okay, we have lot of hard work, lot of losses after these things. Then we are now a level. Okay, now we are profitable trader. So before we are profitable trader, we lost huge money in this sector. Okay, but maybe we don't talk about sometimes. Okay, but some people are thinks it's easy to make good profit from binary sector or anything trading sector when they see lot of people made lot of money from there. Okay, but this is a place where we invest lots of time, lots of money, and after this, now we are a label, and now we are a profitable trader. That's a long journey. Okay, so today I don't talk about my life journey. So today I talk about how you can. Okay, I will take that up if this color it up. A good sign, but okay, avoid no problem. Okay, so we have losses huge of money there, and after loss and more practice, now we are a level and we are profitable trader there. Okay, so now if we are new, what thing should we avoid there? Okay, first of all, I told you don't invest your real money until you are a level, until your accuracy is not above the 60%. Okay, and another thing is you should take a course. Some people are also selling the method or selling the courses. You should buy it from them. Okay, so because it is very needy to be a successful trader. Okay, because learning is very important things. Learning is very important things. Okay, because when you are going to school or primary school, uh, our teacher teaches ABCD or something else. Okay, so you should go to school to know the basic of the knowledge of education. This is the one of the education. You can avoid this. Okay, you can avoid this. You should learn basic things, and where you are and where you get these basic things. So you need to do a course where you fulfill the your basic things. Okay, where you fulfill your basic things. Okay, and after the basic things, then you are practicing, lot of practicing, and take times, and after practice, after your accuracy, then you are invest your real money. Okay, it's not easy. So but some people are also take huge money to take a course. Okay, but it is uh, happy to announce you, I have already upload some courses, which course I buy from some people's. Okay, so I don't want to resell this. I just want to tell you, you also learn from it. Okay, you should not invest your real money. You can watch this, and after this, then you can earn from this binary sector or anything else. Binomo, Cortex, IQ option, there are lots of question, lot of broker. But I personally suggest you Cortex or Binomo. Okay, and Cortex are very good because it has less fluctuation in OTC. Though it is a real market, but OTC is a don't most of the time they don't fluctuation. Okay, they are move slowly. This is the why you should things. And look at this. Here I am take a trade on put option, but this candle goes up, then I will take a martingale and double amount, so I profitable there. Okay, this is the things in one time or short time trading. You have to use martingale. So I own this trade, okay, and I will take some more. Okay, so these are the things we should do, and we should avoid entering because lots of people are, when they are entering this mine sector, they are think that, oh, there is, we can make lot of money, and they invest the real money and they lose huge money. Okay, so first of all, suggest you learn some basic and practice, then you invest your real money, because real money is important, because you should avoid your emotion. It is very important. Most of people are losing the money because of their own emotion. They can't control their emotion, so you should control your emotion by invest little much money. So I win this trade. So look at, I also win this trade because this is the seller pressure. So I trade on this trade, because you should go to the 10, not opposite of 10. You should go to 10 of 10. Okay, this is and where you are making good money. Okay, but after you are expert, then you can trade anywhere you as you can want. Okay, so what I'm saying, okay, look at the market. So these are things we should learn, basic things. And I also tell you another things. i have already I have already upload some courses video. You can check my playlist. Okay, there are lots of course. Maybe they long video, but you should watch this, and you should note, and you should practice. And after this, you can maybe you can profitable if you are practice right way. Okay, so then you should also invest some real money to you remove your emotion, to control your emotion, because we are human, we have a emotion. Okay, but you should control your emotion. We can't remove emotion, but we can control our emotion. Okay, so look at the market. I think this market should be up this level, but if this was a, I would take martingale, because there is a level market should be fill up this level. But I'll wait for the result. Maybe draw. Okay, the refund. But market should go to up. Oh, okay, market should go to up there. There is two question. Maybe market can fill up this level, this gap, or markets can reverse from there. Okay, so wait for this. If this market this gap this level, then I'll go to martingale. Okay, wait. But if this again this there is a doji, then I'll avoid this market. Okay, wait for this some seconds, 20 seconds. When your people are come to this money sector, when they are lose the money, they use invest. So they are lose their money. So you have to control your emotion. Okay, I win this state. Look at this, I win this state. But I should avoid this market because there are lots of there are also those. Okay, so also avoid this market. Okay, JPBUSD. There are also lots of those Euro USD. Okay, can't gain rate. Okay, wait, because market should go above this level, because I think there is a buyer pressure, but market do not move from there. Stuck this level. Look at this, there is no candle, no candle. Look at this. Okay, my trade is 2 minutes. Oh, very bad. Okay, wait for the next candle, and I will go to another. Okay, I also trade some OTC market, and you also, when you are new in this sector, You should avoid this OTC market. Okay, because there are lots of fluctuation. You lose your money easily because lots of people are losing their money by this OTC market. Okay, so you should avoid this OTC market. Okay, so wait for this result. Okay, because I take that because look at this, there is a week of buyer, so I go for seller. Okay, so next candle Facebook. I go to buy. Okay, it's count down at least this level, then I go to okay, already up. Okay, so I lose this date because of I time in 2 minutes. This is why I lose this money. Euro USD. Okay, but okay, wait for. Okay, don't be scary or don't be uh, take tension when you lose this money. You should control your emotion. Okay, this is a business. You focus. Don't lose your money. You maybe take a small profit, but don't lose your money. This is the main thing. I go for up. This is already OTC market. Anything can happens. This is why we should avoid this OTC market. Because of I have some experience, so I take the OTC market. Because OTC market follow the trend. Okay, not the price action. So there is a buyer trend, so I go for buyer. Okay, but there is anything can happens in OTC market. Okay, and try to don't use marticle in OTC market. You should use marticle as a real asset. Okay, okay, okay. About this, I take $10 in this real. Look at this. I lose 2 10. I have to recover my losses in real asset. Okay, because OTC is not good. Okay, I go for up $10. Okay, if this can go up at this level, then I will also take another buyer trade. Okay, time ups. I wait for the result. Okay, okay. Market go to my. This is the things. When you are make good profit, you should leave this market because look at this. I already make good profit, but I also waiting for video. I also trade still there. Okay, so I think I go for opposite martingale. Oh my god. Oh my, this is not good because why I trade seller market because look at this level. This is the I lose. I don't care about this. Okay, because this candle almost cover this candle, and when you see this kind of candle and cover this next candle almost above the level, so he should go for this 10. So I look at this last second, look at this candle go to almost there, so I think market go down, but in the last second market goes up, but I already take the trade. Okay, I already take the trade. This is why I lose money, but if I look for at least last 1 second, then I'll go for up because market already don't cross this half level. Okay, look at this, you can't break this level. Okay, these things you should things when you are trade. Okay, but I was wait for the last 1 seconds. Okay, no problem, it can happen. So you should wait wait for this candle, then you take trade. Okay, this can be happen anything. So when you are making video you lose some money. Okay, it's not a issue, but I almost recover my losses. Look at this, I loses uh, 5 5 10 13 14 15, but I almost recover my losses. Okay, So I also take some. Okay. Okay, I win this all trade. Won this all trade. Okay, okay. I go for down. Okay, this will be my last. If I win, then I will stop today because I almost make good profit. So you have to take profit and leave this market. If you are dead more dead, then you lose your money. And most of the beginner traders they are lose money by the over trade. Okay, so you have to take it your target loss and profit, then you will leave the market. Okay, and after this, after going, you will practice on demo account. Okay. Okay, wait for the result. Okay, I win this state. I own this state. Look at this. I own this state. Okay. So this is all about video. If you are new, you should practice and learn some basic things. I already upload my YouTube channel. You can watch this. Okay.
हमें नहीं मिले थी रिगार्ड आप बस ध्यान दो इस हमें नहीं मिले थी रिगार्ड आप बस ध्यान दो इस
So look at, I already upload one, two, three, four. I already upload four trading course video. If you are watching this course video, then you can you have a good knowledge about basic things and you can practice. Then you can profitable trader. I am sure you, and please watch this all the course, and after complete this course, then you can practice on demo account. Okay. So after demo account, then you can invest little bit, invest to avoid your to control your emotion. Okay, these are things. And bye for today, and see you next video. And if you're new, subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, comment below. I will answer you. Okay. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.